Okay, I'm just installing Drupal now, so the first thing I'm asked for is to choose a language, so I'll click install Drupal in English. This brings me straight away to the database configuration page where I put in the database name, username and password. However, I must go back to my server and create the database before I can enter these. First thing I do is to create a password for the root user, and after that I simply log into MySQL and create my database. I've created my database using the command create database Drupal, which is the name of my database, character set UTF-8, and what that means is that I'm using Unicode encoding. And so now I'll go back to the browser and put in the database name and password. Okay, I'm back at the client's browser now, and I'm just putting in the exact same information as I have on the server. The database name is Drupal, the username is root, and the password is my password. And I'm just going to click save and continue. Okay, I'm now at the configure site page, and the first thing it's telling me is that I can remove the right permissions from the settings.php file. So I'll go back to the server and do that first. Okay, I've removed the right permissions from the settings.php file by simply doing a chmod 555 settings.php. Okay, I'm back at the site configuration page, and information I enter here is the site name, site email address, a username, an email for the username, a password, confirm the password, click clean URLs, and then just click save and continue. Okay, I've just gone from the configure site screen, and this has brought me to here, and I've been told that the Drupal installation is complete. And so the next thing now, I'm going to click on visit your new site. And this has brought me now to my new website. So next thing I'm going to do is to add some content, so I click create content. Now I've got a choice between creating a page or a story. They're both said to be quite similar, but so I'll run with the story. And you give the story a title and give it a body, so I might as well do that. Okay, so I've just added some content, put in a title, put in a body. Scroll down the page and there's an option here called publishing options, so I'm going to tick on that, and I'm going to make sure that this box here is ticked which says promoted to front page, and that ensures that whatever I've put in will now appear as my home page. So I'll click save on that. So now if I click on my home page up here at the top of the screen, I should be able to see my new post, and there it is. Other than adding content to your website, to do anything else you would click the administer button. I've just clicked the administer button here, and it actually takes quite a bit of time for the next page to come up. And I'm going to leave it there because we're after running out of time, but you can see on the administer page we've a whole list of options, from changing the themes, adding blocks, etc. And that's basically it.